So, your car's having some problems. There's some lights on the dash that you don't fully understand. Maybe it's overheating, maybe it's not shifting right. You don't know what's wrong with it. You're not a mechanic. Well, you bring it to your buddy Joe Schmo, the mechanic down the street. He can't tell you what's wrong with it either. He's not as smart as he thinks he is. Now all your friends and family are telling you need to trade that car. Well, before you trade it, visit etechautosales&service, located on Asheville Highway in Emmons, South Carolina. We have factory-trained technicians that can tell you exactly what's wrong with your car. Full diagnostics. And the great thing is, we work on all makes and models. So, when they say trade the car, I say trade the mechanic.